Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yara. I hope you guys are having an amazing and blessed day. What I have for you guys today is a super short video, and I'm gonna be sharing with you guys how I like to clean my brushes. I want to mention how important it is to wash your brushes frequently, especially because dirty brushes can cause acne. And also, if you think about it, my love, brushes have all kinds of bacteria. Also carry all your dead skin, especially if you do your makeup every single day. It's super important to be cleaning your brushes. If you have a ton of brushes, you can even clean them once a week. That's what I usually try to do. If not, if you have a couple of brushes, and there's nothing wrong with that, you can wash them every other day or even every single day if you want to have a beautiful skin. I'm gonna be testing out this new brush cleaner. Okay my love, since this product is brand new, you want to make sure you clean it before you use it. So these are my brushes that I'm gonna be cleaning today. Also, I always like to have an extra clean cup just to place my brushes once I clean them. And also, I'm gonna be washing my sponges. Now that it's clean, I'm just gonna place it on my sink. A product that I'm gonna be using to wash my brushes. This is a great product. I've been using it non-stop. Okay, now that everything is placed properly, I'm going to be squishing this cleaner right here on my little silicone. The thing that I like to do is stick my dirty brush, and I like to wet it a little bit. And then what I'm going to do, since I already applied a little bit of soap, motions, trying to clean everything out and nice. Also, you don't want to have your water turn on the whole time because that's just wasting water. Brushes are really dirty, so it is gonna take more than once to get them nice and clean. But again, you just want to keep them clean, especially to help your skin clear up from all that acne. You can notice it gets everything out. I'm super excited because that means that it actually works. You can use a napkin or you can use a towel for this step, but what I like to do is just place it right here in this container and let it air dry since I don't need them right now. So yeah, just following the same steps. You want to wet your brush first, then apply a little bit of soap on the mat and keep going. And here it is my love, another clean brush. And also, I forgot to mention, but before you even get started, make sure your hands are nice and clean. Also, this little mat is working wonders. It's really helpful so far. And I do want to mention that I got this little brush mat at Dollar Tree. If you guys believe it or not, I got it at Dollar Tree just for $1, and it's working beautifully. If you missed that video, don't forget to check it out. I'm gonna link it down below for you guys. So if you want a beautiful skin, it's super important to wash your new brushes as well. Even if you never used them before, you need to wash them, because if you think about it, you don't know who touched them at the store. You don't know how many people put their hands on the bristles. You just never know, so it's really important to always wash your brushes. Like you can tell, this was a brand new brush, and you can notice how much cleaner it is now. So yeah, that means it had a bunch of bacteria that I was about to put on my face if I didn't wash it before using it. Sponge, I do the same exact steps. Soak it first with water, then apply a little bit of this cleaner. And you're gonna notice how great of this product is. It just takes everything out. 2 to 3 times, just because the sponges hold so much bacteria, so much makeup, that it's important to make sure it's nice and clean. This is what it looks like now. It's just a little bit of water. For this, I just let it air dry overnight. My love, another clean sponge. This sponge is a great buy, especially because it's super affordable, and you can find this at your local drugstore. I found mine at Walmart, and it's only $4. Okay, my loves, and after a couple of minutes, I'm finally done cleaning my brushes, and this is what they look like. Super clean. And like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, I do wash them overnight so I can leave them air dry by themselves. What they look like, this is what my sponge looks like. Like I said, the product that I use to wash and clean my brushes is amazing. Look at those brushes. And I will sometimes I will lay them on the floor so they can dry quickly. Depends how bad I need them. Also, this is what the new brushes look like. These brushes are from Dollar Tree. If you guys missed that video, I'm gonna link it down below for you guys in the description box. But can you guys believe I found these beautiful brushes at Dollar Tree? They're just stunning. They're super fluffy. So I'm super excited. I had to wash them because I'm gonna be filming tomorrow with this, so I do need this ones to dry, so I'm gonna leave them here by themselves so they can dry quickly. Like I mentioned in my last video, I am gonna be doing a full face of Dollar Tree makeup and brushes. So yeah, make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss that video that's gonna be up on Sunday. So make sure you subscribe and click the little bells so you don't miss my full face of Dollar Tree makeup and brushes. You guys have an amazing day. I love you and thank you for all the support. I'll see you on my next one.